Coach Martinez of the Syracuse Saltcats, coach, after a 6-2 win over Rome last night. What do you think the biggest takeaway is going to be from last night going into tonight?
Well, you know, we figured some things out during our exhibition games, our two games. Some people might wonder, you know, that manager's got to be crazy. Why is he taking these pitchers out so early? You know, they're really doing good. You use 16 pitchers in 2 games. Well, we do get to evaluate. You know, in a normal everyday situation, that's not going to happen. So what I take away from that and then into yesterday's game is now that we've figured some things out, you know, we've got some guys on the team that can hit the ball. And we've got some guys on the team that not only can hit the ball, but can run. And if we can capitalize when we get on base and run and be effective on the base paths, we're going to be okay. Our pitching, so far so good, knock on wood. You know, when we went and got these guys, you know, we went for guys that can throw strikes. Obviously, everybody tries to, but, you know, so far I see guys throwing strikes, and, you know, if we can keep the ball in play and make some outs, I think we'll be able to compete at the top.
And from a scouting standpoint, what do you think the key differences are between Rome and the Syracuse Spartans team that's playing tonight?
Well, you know, in this day and age, you know, all these teams, as far as I'm concerned, being in the business for a long time, and, you know, doing the college stuff for several years, you know, I see all the teams as pretty much the same. You know, we still got to pitch, we still got to hit, we still have to make defensive plays, and we still have to be good college baseball players. So, you know, other than them, you know, being called Syracuse like we are, it's pretty much, you know, the same world every day.
And final question today, obviously being the anniversary of D-Day, what does it mean to you and your team be playing on this special day?
Well, I'm pretty happy about that. You know, I mean, I'm a Go USA guy all the way. You know, my dad's a highly decorated World War II veteran. He's 97 years old. He's still with us, and I'm pretty proud that, you know, we're able to stand on a nice field like this in a nice complex, talking to nice guys like you, and a great bunch of people on a sunny day. And it's America. We have our freedoms because of, you know, guys that, you know, went out, guys, men and women that went out and dedicated their time to service to our country. And I'm appreciative, I'm grateful, and thankful to God.
Thank you, Coach.
Thanks a lot.